Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will be making tiramisu. First take 125 gram of high-fat mascarpone cheese and whip it using an electric mixer. In a separate bowl, add 150 ml of cold whipping cream and 42 gram of brown sugar. Whip using an electric mixer. To this, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and whip. Add this mixture to the cheese and mix well to combine. In a bowl, take 150 ml of strong cold coffee. Take 10 to 12 ladyfinger biscuits, dip in the coffee and place in a container. Make a layer of ladyfinger biscuit. Top with your cream mixture. Top with another layer of ladyfinger biscuit and cream mixture. To this, add cocoa powder, pass through a sieve, keep it in the fridge for 3 hours. Your tiramisu is ready. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and comment what recipes you want to see in the future. Until next time, keep cooking.